Own Your Financial Future with Infinite Banking Part 3. Hi, I'm Sunny Mitra, founder of Bright Horizon Wealth. We teach entrepreneurs and go-getters like you how to own their financial future with the concept of infinite banking. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every Tuesday and Thursday we come out with brand new videos. Stay tuned to the end of the video to get a valuable tool that will increase your savings easily and effortlessly. And now, today's topic is Own Your Financial Future with Infinite Banking Part 3. In our two previous videos in this series, we covered these two vital points. The importance of creating a financial inventory before shopping. And whenever you purchase something, ask yourself, am I buying an asset or a liability? And number two, the importance of creating a control mechanism in your financial life. Anytime you have doubts, ask yourself, how can I stop this leak in my financial bucket? And then, how can I save money easily and effortlessly for a brighter financial future? So, we all know how important it is to save, but the problem is sometimes when we have got more month left at the end of the money, we just don't know what to do. Our society teaches us to create a discipline for savings, which is, in my opinion, is even harder than saving itself. So, what is the solution? By creating a tiny habit in our life, by educating ourselves and having a purpose for it, by putting it on autopilot so that at the end of the month it goes there by itself. Let us examine all these 3 points one by one. And one more thing, remember I told you, I believe in giving people tools, not the concept, because aren't you sick and tired of getting concept that hey, if you go to the gym, you will become healthier. The point is, how can I make myself go to the gym day in and day out? There comes the tools, and that is what we are providing you here. But wait, before giving you those tools, I wanted to share with you the big reason as to why you should save. The story goes like this. In 1926, a book named The Richest Man in Babylon, written by George Samuel Clason, which became a classic as far as our finances are concerned. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to read the book right away. I know how busy you are. I'm just going to give you the meat and potato of the book, which Mr. Clason summarized in just 3 words. Pay yourself first. What he's saying is, once you get your salary at the end of the week, you save 10% out of that paycheck. You owe it to yourself for all the hard labor that you did for the whole week. So, coming back to our tools. Number 1, creating a tiny habit. Now, you must be thinking, Sunny, I don't have 10% to save. That is where the formation of a tiny habit comes into play. Recently, a famous psychologist, B.J. Fogg, wrote a groundbreaking book named The Tiny Habits, where he shows a step-by-step method as to how a very small, almost negligible action done consistently and repeatedly every day can bring you big changes in your life. If you are interested, go to the comment section and ask for a link to the book and I'll send it to you. All I'm saying is, if you cannot save 10%, start with 5% or even 1%. You will feel empowered. I guarantee it. It's not the amount, but it is the act of doing it. Now, tool number 2, have a purpose. If you find a powerful why for doing it, from that point, it will become all easy breezy. And the more you do it, the more you will get confidence. And then comes tool number 3, put it on an autopilot. Here comes the role of infinite banking. If you start putting the money inside this vehicle and put it on an autopilot every month. It will go automatically from your checking account. That will make your job much easier. Today I'm going to provide you a simple tool about savings depending on where you are in your life, and that is save 10 times of your age. Now what do I mean by that? For example, if you are 20 years old, you need to save $200 a month. If you are 30, then multiply it with 10 and you will be saving $300 every month. If you did that, you will own your own financial destiny. Give us a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Check out our next video called Are You Sinking in Debt?, where we'll dig deeper into it. And don't forget to own your own financial future, or someone else will.